Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coursera online learning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Coursera online learning, start by opening your device's App Store. For iOS devices, go to the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Coursera and hit enter. Locate the Coursera app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Click on the install button on Android or get on iOS. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, locate the Coursera app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login information and click Sign In. If you're a new user, select Join for free to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your email and password. After signing up, you may need to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Coursera. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Coursera app and sign in with your new account. You will now have access to the course catalog. Browse through the available courses and select one that interests you. Click on the course to view its details, including the syllabus and duration. If you wish to enroll, click the Enroll button. Follow any additional prompts to complete your enrollment. You can now start learning with Coursera at your own pace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.